Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I am going to guide you on how to create a Snapchat group. The group you may create is whatever, suppose a family group, a friend circle group or a business group, whatever. So without any discussion, let's get to the video. Open the Snapchat first, then tap on the chat option that is at the second position at the bottom. Then tap on the blue icon with pencil and the chat option. Here you will see the new group chat with up to 200 friends option, so tap on it and add the friends that you want to add in the group. And don't forget to name your group name. Then tap on create group option. In this way you can easily create a Snapchat group. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.